is better than McDonald's. Whipped cream and stuff on there. And I got Perry and blue cheese sandwich. I'm going to dig in. Oh, you see this chocolate? Like, OMG. Oh, it's thick. Oh my god, I can't even get it. Can't even get it right. Alright, we're going to try the cheese sandwich. It looks cheap. Damn. Ooh, and it's hot. Not bad. Got a lot of good cheese. But I'm in love with this ice cream. And look at all the chocolates. Not just all on the bottom or all on the top. It's like all over. And the favorite thing when you're done is you get your Sonic mint. Get your mints. Not bad. I haven't had Sonic in a long time. I'm more of a healthier eater, so I kind of wish they had different kinds of bread to put this on, but otherwise it's not bad. And it's really hot outside, so I'm appreciating the Powerade I got and this ice cream. You guys go get just some Sonic. I hope you guys have a blessed day. My verdict on Sonic, this is good food and it's fast. And the prices are pretty reasonable. So I hope you guys have a blessed day. Thanks for tuning into my channel today. See you next time.